Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to mention team members in tasks on Asana. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and navigate to the task you want to mention a team member in. This is crucial because you need to be in the right place to mention your team member effectively. Now that you're in the task, go to the comments section and start typing your comment. It's here where the magic happens. The reason we do this is to provide context for our mention. We want our team member to know why they're being tagged. Next, to mention a team member, type @ followed by their name. As you start typing, Asana will auto-suggest names. Click on the correct one to select it. This helps us because it ensures we're tagging the right person. After mentioning the team member, finish your comment and hit enter to post it. Your comment, along with the mention, will now appear in the task's activity feed. This is important. It puts our task front and center for the team member we've mentioned. Let me explain why this matters. When you mention a team member in a task, they get a notification. This alerts them to the task and any related discussions. It's a great way to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Now, what's happening behind the scenes? Asana is creating a direct line of communication between you and your team member. They'll see your mention and know immediately that they need to take action on this task. And that's it. You've just learned how to mention team members in tasks on Asana. Let's quickly wrap up. Mentioning team members in tasks is a powerful way to communicate and collaborate within Asana. It ensures that everyone is kept in the loop and that tasks are completed efficiently. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.